And like that, I have an official Copart vest. And we're here in the car graveyard, and right away we have an i8, the 3-cylinder hybrid BMW behind that one.
This thing's pretty mad. What is that?
That is an American muscle car, known for hitting and destroying 720s. Right here, something interesting.
i8. Oh, yeah.
What we got in the back?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ran out of talent at the back. But the crazy thing, how expensive this i8 is and the retail price of it, and that's what's wrote it off.
Well, you can see the suspension's obviously tweaked. So who knows what's happened in here, Matt?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's that.
You're gonna learn a few things today with me, Matt.
Oh, I've not seen this edition before.
But check it out. We have an Urus. Now we're talking DD. That actually would be a good project.
Yes.
Oh, perfect, dude.
Yellow as well. Okay. Not okay. Oh.
Oh, man. Oh, that would have hurt.
Oh. Engine very bad.
Bro.
That's gone west.
So hold on. You can actually see the impact, which pushed the motor into the firewall.
Oh dear. Okay, so, and the chassis leg is in a different postcode. That's gone completely that way, but fixable.
Is it?
Yeah, 100%. It is fixable. I don't know how much for. Your front end, headlights, bonnet, bumper. That's going to be expensive, especially from Lamborghini. But this is an Audi engine, so any damage to that, not going to be too bad. The chassis leg.
Can you buy this from Audi or Lamborghini?
Yes.
They'll sell you that piece?
From the bulkhead all the way forward, you can buy that, and it could be all welded on. I think this is all going to be rivets, so it's all aluminium, so they don't even weld it. It's all bonded and welded and use these rivets to...
And you could order an RS Q8 front clip, it'd be cheaper.
Yeah, it could work. I mean, you could have an RS Q8 front end with it.
Dude, this could be a fun shop car. Maybe we make it to an ultimate off-road car. No one's really taken this car and lifted it up, put big tires on it, do an off-road build. That'd be kind of fun. My guess, I feel like the end of this video, you're gonna be even busier. But other than that, just front end. The back looks good. The factory 23-inch wheels. I have brand new tires in my shop for these wheels. Wheels are okay. Back's perfect. Yeah. Missing a piece here, which makes no sense. Someone probably stole that. That's a problem.
Inlet manifold is broken. You wouldn't want that getting sucked into there.
Yeah, that's a problem. AC's not working anymore. Is that AC compressor?
Yeah, that's right. Okay. And that's broken.
This car will go for auction. Basically, it's just by bidder. So yeah, depends on how much you want to pay for it. How much would you pay for this car right now?
How much would you pay for this right now, Matt?
Yeah, because we may have bidded on one back in the UK, and it's similar kind of damage. I would say, I don't know what they're worth here in the UK. It's going to go over $100,000, 130, 140,000.
And this car, if it's not crashed, is like 230,000.
Yeah, so I would say around
that. So just buy a clean one.
It's no fun in that.
Yeah, but for like, it's going to cost you 100 grand to fix, is it not?
No. If you know what you're doing, I'm going to say 50.
Really?
Yeah.
Comment below, should we bid on the Urus as a shop truck and do some sort of an off-road build on it? I want to get it for like 100 grand. If you're into this for 150, is the headlight good?
That's good.
Oh, that's good. That's there's $5,000 or $6,000.
Oh, it's one of them turning headlights.
That's a turn signal.
Yeah, look, it's
a hand signal.
That's not meant to be like that.
All this. He's ripping. Copart flybys. So we're on the search. It's not organized. You would think there'd be like a system like make model. No, nothing like that. It's just cars everywhere. But apparently, there's 2 Bentleys here.
Yes.
Not sure the year. So as I was mentioning, I need the newer one for my build. I did not bring any water.
Yeah, I've already realized that.
I'm wearing this jacket because of marketing, but also because it's hot now and I don't want to wear it, but because of marketing, I'm wearing it. Oh, is that an MP412C or is that a Lotus? I got old man eyes now.
Oh, it's a Lotus.
What do you guys think at home? What are we looking at over here? We got a Porsche Cayenne Turbo.
I feel like it is a Lotus. My eyes are burning from this.
We're gonna get, maybe it's a Mirage because we're in the desert right now. We're like so thirsty. This place must be 20 acres? Are the ones in the Great UK the same size?
Yeah, they're about the same. And there's loads of them in the UK. There's loads. Oh,
it is a Lotus.
Tiny little thing. Oh, wow.
Little death trap right there.
Yeah, that's, dear. Oh dear.
Someone kissed the curb.
Oh no. Okay, that's, it's had some pretty bad damage. Yeah. I can see you in this though, Dave.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can see you repping.
That's too much car for me, man. That Camry V6 in the back.
Look at all the room.
To be fair, fun track car. They handle great.
Yes.
It's like a cool Miata.
Oh, ignition comes on.
Yeah.
Okay. Does it suit me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh.
She dead? The one that got away.
For some reason it won't start.
I don't know what the issue is. It's a little exotic. We have a Panamera here. with a slight front end collision. Check out the background. That is sick. You need that back in the UK. You don't have those in the UK, I guarantee you don't.
No, we don't. We don't. For a very good reason. That is awful.
You don't like it? Oh, dude, I'd roll with that. That's sick. Watch out for those forks above your head. I saved your life. Now it belongs to me.
There's two Bentleys. Did you want rear end damage or front end damage?
Maybe I need both of them to cut it in half, put it together. Are they bad? Don't show us yet until
No,
we find
I
the car.
won't show you, no.
Yeah, that's not good.
Okay, it's not great, Dave.
Yeah, that's better for the thumbnail. Hopefully the car's red as well, and we'll really get the action on this video.
It's black.
Okay, that's not great. We'll change that in post.
Yeah, we can do that. Photoshop.
How the hell would you tell by looking? It's all dirt.
I can.
Oh, by the way, holy shit.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it still stinks like burning rubber. A lot of Mustangs here. So yeah, there's a ton of options. The exotic stuff obviously is more rare. If you want a little project for your garage at home and you're watching this, I get it. I get the appeal because some of it isn't horrible. But when they rent off a car, they're looking at basically brand new parts. They're not looking at used parts and so forth. Lots of options. That's a pissed off girlfriend right there throwing in a little in the car because fire all could originate from the engine. Obviously, yeah, it came through. Maybe. That's weird.
What the hell? Why is it cut open?
Oh, why is it cut open?
Oh, they didn't do a very good job of putting it out.
Well, yeah, mostly out. Like they saved the headlights.
Oh, wow.
Matt used his resources, asked for help, which is a skill set I have to admire a little bit, to find the Bentley. So there's two here. We don't know what year they are. We don't know if they're coupes or convertibles. The website apparently hasn't been updated, so we're trying to just do some recon right now. But we've been here for about an hour. We've probably walked a mile. There's just so much here. It's insane how big this business is. What's even crazier is how many cars get damaged. That's why insurance is expensive. Like, look around. You see it, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
I saw some headlights. Well, I see one major problem right away. We'll talk about that in a second.
It looks a little bit lower than what it should be. Hey, it looks good. Still looks good.
Do you see the one major issue right away?
What's that?
I'm building the GT3 race car. What do race cars have?
Not a soft top.
Not a soft top. We have here a Continental convertible. It is gorgeous. What year is this? This is the wrong year though. Oh, it looks newer. The headlights look...
Is this a 2010?
No, it's newer than that.
Is it?
It must be. But you can usually tell by the interior. Yeah, that's the old one.
Oh, no. Oh, it's really nice in here, though.
It is nice. But just to have for a cool car driver in California. So damage-wise, it's not bad, Matt. It's just a rear quarter, just up in there. So you need a trunk lid, a deck, a tail light.
What's under this? Small dent. Oh, dear.
It's bad?
Yeah, that's quite bad.
Really?
Yeah, I wouldn't really want to start touching this. It's not great.
What you would have is a good motor. So really, I could make an offer on this car today and get it for parts because if I want to actually make the build a faster version, I could take that motor and build it. What if I made the world's first like 1200 real horsepower Continental GT?
That would be sick. Straight pipe, burble tune. Looks good.
Yeah, it's a 4-liter V8.
Looks great. That's right. Oh, look, we found another Audi badge.
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Audi badge.
Audi just owns everything. Well, it's Volkswagen actually. Volkswagen just owns everything.
Audi is everywhere, even on Bentley.
This car wouldn't cost much though because this car clean isn't worth that much money.
No, this is going to go for cheap. This will be really
like
cheap.
10 grand?
Maybe, yeah, maybe even cheaper than that, depending on the category of it as well.
Then we could sell headlights, the soft tops worth money, interior bits and mirrors.
This is the same engine as my RS6.
100% it is.
It's the same one.
Oh, we got a little bidding war, do we?
More Audi badges. Everyone loves an Audi badge. We're Audi everywhere. But now it's a Bentley.
Now it's a Bentley. What do you guys think? Should I get this car, take the motor, send it out, because it's going to take a while anyways before we get the car, and build it to be the fastest? Originally, I wasn't going to do that. Originally, I thought, oh, I'll just make it like a street car, a race car for the streets. But now I'm thinking, well, why don't we go farther and make it fast as and actually do like a race series? Take on Damon 720 with this thing and destroy him and embarrass him. So we only found the one Bentley. It's the wrong year. It's the wrong roof. That didn't work out.
I told you can't be picky at Copart.
I know.
You get what you're given. LA Copart is going to be more our vibe. I think we need to take a trip there.
Do you want to go right now?
If you're happy with a 5-hour drive, is that how long it is?
I've seen your reviews on YouTube. You're getting us a private jet.
Yeah, a salvage jet.
I fixed it myself.